Okay, we are doing an experiment with the volcano that you're about to see a huge eruption. We have some sodium bicarbonate, we have some citric acid, and we are doing a experiment. So check this out. So recipe calls for half a teaspoon so that's about a half. Right? And most importantly, we gotta wash this out. Whoa. What is that? Sorry, there's a blooper. And now we are using some citric acid. We're gonna mix that up in there. See that? Mix that up in there. Like a volcano do, it shakes, right? So we simulate in there. And then we're gonna count 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Okay. So cool.
and we are out. And don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye.